DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
What's good, YouTube gang? I'm back with another banger video. Yo, gang. That my face. See what we doing today, man. Yo, I've been asked to react to this quite a bit to react to this artist or group. I'm not too sure what it is exactly. I've been getting requests to react to this, but I haven't gotten around to it. I think this is like an Asian artist or group. I'm not sure to you. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Don't know, like reacting to new music and new artists over here, so we're gonna check it out. I've been kind of, holding off for a bit, but we're gonna check it out today and see if some, find a new artist or some fresh new music or something, what I'm saying. So we're gonna check it out and see what I go on today. But before even jumping in the track, gang, make sure you check out the link in the description, join the Discord, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Join the gang, man. We're lit over here, gang, and you want to become part of the family. You feel me? Be a dope reactions over here, man, and we're lit, gang. But yeah, we gonna jump in this. I don't even know what to expect on this one, to be honest. I've never heard of them before. It's Stray Kids, so I'm not too sure what to expect on this one. But we're gonna jump in the track and check it out. Hopefully it's a banger and we enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we'll find something we like, gang. So we're not gonna hold it with vibes much longer. Let's jump right in the track. This is Stray Kids, S-Class and V. Let's get it. Okay. Ain't no cat, gang. Say I'm lying. Okay, but hey, gang, say I'm lying. Don't they look like they straight out of an anime, bro? They look like they straight out of an anime, my G. No cap. Let's get it. Yeah. What the hell? Okay, what the hell was that? Oh, I don't lie, that move was kind of sus a while ago, gang. But let's get it. Okay, I see you got English subtitles. Okay, so what are these? Is this like a K-pop group? Is that what they call, gang? Let me know.
I'm up above the world, so high, I'll be the shiny
day and night. Okay. Oh, what spotlight so bright. Okay, good stars. That's crazy. Okay. I'm reading the subtitles, but it's kind of crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? These guys is like Jabberwockies mixed with Amigos, mixed with you know what I'm saying, gang? Let me know what's going on. Alright, different. Flashy work, S-Class, flashy. What if flashy was S-Class, flashy? What does that even mean, gang? What does that even mean? But hey, they can dance, so I'll get them right. Light spreads, the star shines brighter. Big hip hop steps. Okay. In the studios got VIP room. Yeah, these guys written on the chat, bro. What is this? Japanese or Chinese, gang? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. You feel me? I definitely got to do my research, look more into them. I'm not too familiar, so I definitely got to do my homework. But let me know. If you know about the Stray Kids. Let me know where they start from, all that good stuff, and where they start, where to look, gang. Let me know. Let's get it. The man said that nobody's are the one to like to jump on anything shiny. You know what I'm saying? But you can't jump on. Basically, it's like, yo, nobody's like when they see your energy and see your light, they like to jump on it, jump on your wave. You know, basically, drain energy type stuff. All right.
Luxurious like I'm in S-Class. Best on the first class. I'm up above the
Okay, so he says he's speeding down a serpent road. He's speeding down a winding road. You know what I'm saying? And he's luxurious like a S class because he's the best of the best. So he's like, basically he's going on a winding road, a path that's like, it's not straight, it's not easy basically. But he's an S class. He's speeding like an S class, luxurious and everything. Basically, he's going all fast. And he's, he's doing it in style. And yeah, okay, that's what I'm getting from the gang. Let me know if I'm wrong. I'm just getting from what I'm translating from English. That's me. He said the most spectacular stars are always the odd one, and that's me. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy, bro. You gotta stand out. Light spreads and the star shines brighter. That's what's up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Light spreads, the star shines brighter. Like basically, like share a light, shed a light. Don't, man. It's so much meaning to this, man. I'm getting from this. We're special, yeah. Special, gang. Don't ever forget that, Dom Mafia gang. If you watch it, don't forget you're special, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, this video kind of crazy though. All this chaos. Hey, one thing with Asian people and their production when it comes to like music and movies, man, it's like crazy. All day they are really good at CGI and stuff like that, man. But this is dope. Look at the car crash. They got octopus fighting in the background. Like when it comes to the music video is like more playful, more creative, more, you know what I'm saying? Unlike American artists and dancehall hip hop where everybody's more serious and kind of like trying to be cool. They're just doing, like crazy shit. Like you got an octopus fighting in the music video. You got stars. You know what I'm saying? Like crazy. Got cars blowing up. Choreography. You know? Flashy. Alright. Their music is fun, very upbeat, full of energy. I like it. Light spreads, star shines brighter. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Basically, I feel like what they basically say is just you shine your light, and just because you see like somebody else shining their light doesn't mean it's gonna dim yours. That's what I'm getting from that, gang. I might be wrong. Let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? That's what you mean, like light spreads, the stars shine brighter. That's what I'm getting from that part. And then you had a part where it's like, yo, people always trying to jump on the things that's shiny and flashy and all that good stuff. So basically it's like, yo, when people see you shining bright, you know what I'm saying, the nobodies, the energy drainers, they go and latch onto you, and you know what I'm saying, and try to be in your space and drain your energy. That's what I'm getting. So let me know if I'm wrong, gang. I'm only translating from what I see here on the screen from the subtitles. So let me know if I'm wrong, gang, and let me know if you like this reaction and if I should check out more from Stray Kids. Let me know. Drop the comments in the comment section, gang. And if you like it, go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco done send you. And let me know if you like it. Let me know what to react to next from them. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely check it out. Don't know, gang. Gang. We lit over here. Road to 10K. Road to 100K. Road to 1 million. You already know. Hit a like, subscribe button. Join the latest reaction channel on YouTube, gang. Come on, man. You know it's a Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.